Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. You might remember the other day we did a video on removing a door lock from this Nissan Elgrand here, this one here, and it was quite a battle because that door had been damaged. We took the lock out, but now it's time to put the lock back into the new door. So let's pull it apart. Last time I was able to cut it, this time I'm not going to be cutting, and we're going to see how long it takes. So including filming as well. What's the time now? 11 o'clock exactly. Let's see how long it takes to put this car lock back in. Okay, quick look at what I'm using. Just using my DeWalt impact driver, 10mm T socket, flat blade, posi, one of these tools, one of these tools. We've got our door lock and the panel spreaders. Let's go. Okay, so this is the door trim. It's fairly straightforward door trim. Up the top, you've that little black part. You've got your mirror that pops off. You've got your door handle. You've got your electric switch. You've got your light down the bottom, and the rest is pretty much like normal. So let's pop it off. Okay, so the trim's back on, everything's back on, so now it's time just to do the test. So we'll just turn it on. There's the first test window. Window's good. Lock. That's good. It's not doing it because the door's not closed. Now we'll turn it off. Now let's check from this side. Okay. We can't lock it because the other doors are open. So we're going to try the key now. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. So our door lock is working, it's in there nice and flush. Okay, so how long did this take this time round? Well, this time round to do it all properly took 50 minutes. That includes 4 5-minute phone calls, having to move the video camera around, and also a few stops here and there, so go to the toilet and things like that. So if I was to quote this, I would say on a good day for me, I would say half an hour's worth of labour just getting it in and out. For somebody who's had less experience, I would say at least quote an hour just to swap this door lock out. Now on this particular model, if you are doing a change combo, you've only got the door lock to do. The ignition doesn't have any, doesn't actually have any cuts in it, so you don't have to worry too much about the ignition. So if you're doing a change combo, you've only really got the one door, none of the other, so you got the one lock, and it is a bit tricky to pull out, as you can see, but it goes back on okay. So some of the things I had troubles with is just one of the little screws there. You saw me having to use the plastic sticky tape so I could start the nut off. The bottom cable down the bottom there is a bit tricky, and everything else is pretty much just like a door trim. Also getting the rail, this window runner that comes along here, when I moved it out, that was fine, but getting it back in there and getting it back up was very tricky, and getting this screw back in to line up with that. So basically it moves, so that's like a U-shaped channel, and if you move it too much, it be hard to get back in alignment. So I had to lift it up, pull it back, then find my screw hole, then put it back in. Okay, so that's swapping out a door lock for a Nissan Elgrand E51 2000 to 2009, I think it is, and that's replacing the door lock. And if you ever need to do a change combo, now you know how it's done. Okay, thanks for watching.